Hello, I'm clinical dietitian Marilyn Mills in partnership with Hannaford Supermarket, here to share my message of heart-healthy eating with a quick recipe. The benefit of oats and other tasty ingredients can be enjoyed at breakfast or be an anytime treat without the need for heat. Carrot Cake Overnight Oats starts with our rolled oats. Greek yogurt provides dairy minerals such as potassium and calcium. And when we replace some of our animal proteins with plant proteins, we reduce saturated fat. So I'm adding a plant-based milk with some vanilla extract added. Watch the sugar, even the natural stuff, like our maple syrup. Colorful fruits and vegetables, such as our shredded carrots, are going to add antioxidants. And spice it up with some ginger and cinnamon. Top it off with some omega-3 loaded healthy nut mix, especially walnuts. They'll help to reduce our inflammation. Take your lid and put it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, simply shake into your favorite bowl, grab a spoon, and enjoy your anytime carrot cake oats. If you enjoyed this recipe, why not try one of our free online classes taught by our team of registered dietitians? You can visit hannafordnutrition.eventbrite.com.